Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solution. And friends, in today's video we will discuss about three hirings. Okay, before discussing that hiring, guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, I request everyone to subscribe our YouTube channel. And guys, please don't forget to click bell icon button, guys. Okay, so let's start, guys, without wasting time. So the first hiring is from, guys, Capgemini. Okay, but guys, in these hiring, they have already mentioned that they only want BCA and BSc graduates of 2022 batch, guys. Clear? And this is a off-campus pooled campus hiring, guys. Okay, and the last date is, guys, 31st of August 2022, and salary package is according to this course BCA and BSc 3-year graduation. It's a grade that is 2.5. Clear? The next thing is, guys, if you want, you can read more. As we all know, Capgemini is not asked for percentage, right? Ki you have a 60%, you have a 70%, right? Capgemini is not asking this, right? So you can apply if you have BCA and BSc. Clear? Next hiring is from, guys, Thrvy Digital. Guys, I have already uploaded one more hiring related to this company, that is this and a Three Digital, Thrvy. Okay, this is for, guys, different. This one is different and this one is different. I will share the link of both the hiring so that, guys, you can apply. Na in this one, guys, na in this one, na the post is basically trainee engineer. Okay, and because of trainee engineer, the package will very good. Okay, package will very good, guys. Clear? So you can apply in both the hirings, and this is for 2022. Okay, and work from office is there. One more thing, guys, they are asking for non-IT domain. It's a great. Why great? Because, guys, many of you are not interested in coding, right? कि भाई coding नहीं आती, we are not able to make a code, we are not able to write a code. So it's a great opportunity for that type of students, but the package is little less, like 2.25 LPA approx. You will got 20,000 per month in your hand. I think 20 ज़्यादा बोल दिया. Yeah, you can calculate according to this package, no problem. ठीक है. And the location is basically Chennai and Hyderabad. Okay, and benefit is, it's also a trainee engineer. Okay, benefit coding, but they are writing here like should be comfortable all the shifts including night shift, and should be interested in non-IT domain. Clear? I will share the link, don't worry. Let's move to the last hiring, that is from Jade. Okay, Jade, or whatever you want call this. This hiring package is great, like a 3.5. Joining date will, guys, 5th of September, means अभी कुछ दिन 10 दिन बाद ही है इसकी hiring. Okay, joining location. So you can apply in this as soon as possible because link is right now open. Okay, or if you are another batch, another graduation pass out, guys, except 2022, you can also apply in this. Just select others. Okay, if you got the mail, if you got any updates, you can go with that. Okay, I will share all the links in a description. You can go and apply. If you have any doubt, query, let me in comment box. And one more thing, guys, this hiring is basically you will learn these things like Angular, React, CSS. But yeah, it's a great opportunity for freshers because you will learn these concepts. It's a great because market is boom for these technologies. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, friends. We will meet on next video. And many of you have got the SOTI mail and exam mail. Let me comment, let you comment, let me know how many of you have got the SOTI, because I have already put the apply link this and someday before on our same YouTube channel, right? So the package very high, 7.5 LPA. Right? Go and apply. Any doubt, query, let me in comment box. I will try to resolve your query as soon as possible. Remaining is done, guys, enough. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Take care, bye bye, and please subscribe and don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay.